Hi, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, and you are watching the Crown Style. This is the lady behind the Crown Style. I know most of my videos I am creating my kids hair. I don't show my face. So I just want to introduce myself to you. I just want you to know me that this is the lady behind the Crown Style. So I made this video to introduce myself to this channel, to my old and my new subscribers to know me. So my name is Susan, and I'm a mom of four girls. I live in Germany with my family. So what I do in this channel is about hair stuff. Okay, most of the hair you are seeing here in this channel is my kids' hair, how I prepare their hairstyles. So if you are that mom who are looking for a very quick hairstyle. I know how hard it is for sometimes when you are going somewhere, you are looking for a very quick hairstyle to do, and you know, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Because most video I'm dropping here in this channel is very quick and easy hairstyle. Not just only quick and easy hairstyle, but protective hairstyle too. Simple, quick, easy, and protective hairstyle is all I do in this channel. As you can see, these are my four kids' hair. You see how full and beautiful their hair looks. That's because I I do their hair very quick and easy way, but in a protective way. You know, so that is why you have to stick to my channel so we can be friends. Let's be friends. Let's connect. Let's be friends so you can learn from me. I can learn from you. So I just want to use this opportunity to introduce myself and to let you know that this is the lady behind the Crown Style. And please, if you are not subscribed, do so to subscribe to this channel, and let's be one family. Okay. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.